The most important IPO of the entire year is about to happen in the next few days, and because the last IPO tripled in less than 2 weeks, so here's everything you need to know about the Figma IPO. Figma is going public under ticker symbol FIG at a valuation of around $15 billion. That's $5 billion less than the $20 billion Adobe tried to buy them for in 2022, when regulators blocked the deal for anti-monopoly issues. So Figma is the design world's version of Microsoft Office, letting teams design, code, and collaborate, all on a web browser. And so they dominate this market with 95% of Fortune 500 companies already using their products. And that's exactly why Adobe wanted them. Because Figma is stealing their lunch. The company grew revenue at 50% year over year, and in the last 12 months, they did $821 million in sales, with gross margins of around 90%, right in line with Adobe. But with a $15 billion valuation, Figma is going public at around 20 times sales, which is basically double the 10 times price to sales multiple of Adobe. But if they can maintain this astronomical growth, this valuation can actually be extremely attractive. But the risk is that if revenue growth falls below 40 to 50%, this thing will crash. And finally, the last thing to note is that Figma is using an auction-style allocation method, meaning institutional investors submit bids with both quantity and price, and that determines where the stock opens. So you're less likely to get a big IPO pop like CRCL had. So if you're thinking of jumping in, just know that although it's a world-class product, you're paying a premium, and definitely don't just buy the stock because Circle Group had an explosive IPO.